So apart Rust-010 is a Roblox stalker. Then Flamingo just know about killing Rust-010 people, the CIT. Rust-010 meets Flamingo apart. Rust is going to kill Flamingo. Flamingo creates alt account from Safe Enough. Rust-010 is tracking Flamingo's location for killing Flamingo. Must stay away from Rust-010. If Rust see you, run immediately. Rust is going to kill you while tracking location.
Thank you, Alert.